Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday, y'all.
So today I made red beans and rice. The way I look at it, it kind of reminds me of stew peas, which has oxtail, chicken foot, salt beef, or pig's tail, and just oxtail and just salt beef. You can use so many meats in it. So this is what this reminds me of. It's probably from my sweater. My sweater's hairy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
My sweater has a lot of stuff on it. Like, it's like feathery. But this is red beans. You can start eating, honey. This is red beans and rice. I have smoked turkey neck in here. And I also have some beef sausage. Since the hubby doesn't eat pork. And then we have some red kidney beans in here. And I found this recipe offline. And it's from Smoky something. He's a YouTuber. He has a lot of subscribers. And I love his channel. So I tried his recipe. I will link his information in the description.
This tastes good. I don't need no pepper on it.
You got pepper?
I don't need no pepper on it. I got pepper on it already.
Oh.
You taste it?
Yeah.
Family, this is your first time making this.
Yeah, it's my first time making this. Wow.
What y'all think? Look at that. Look at that. I know y'all see it. This tastes good, family. Family.
This tastes really good.
It tastes good. Sorry, family, we missed y'all. You know what time it is now. Ooh. How much box of the juice in there?
Ooh.
It tastes good, huh? Shit.
This came out really good.
So this is what the red beans and white rice tastes like when you buy it at Popeyes.
Yeah, but they got pork in it. This one don't have no pork in it.
Family, I never ate red beans and rice before until the first lady made it.
But when I saw it, I was like, this reminds me of stew peas, and I just really wanted to taste it. Like homemade.
It got pepper in there already. Put pepper in there.
I got good amount of pepper. So, we're sorry we missed you, but right now, it's volleyball season.
Family.
So,
volleyball mom, volleyball dad. We got to be on the volleyball time. You know, volleyball time, we can't miss out on nothing.
come from work, hurry up, get ready, go straight to the game. We're just tired.
High school, you know, high school got a lot of games.
A lot of games.
Yeah. But our superstar is doing excellent.
Excelente.
Excelente. Superstar, man. And run your jean. I ain't got no more meat.
So, tomorrow, since some of the family members were saying that they never saw the video that I dropped, I kind of figure out what happened. So I'm going to drop it for you guys tomorrow, so you guys can get a chance to see how my channel looked when it was just me alone. And then we'll be back on Wednesday.
On the regular scheduling, you know? Yo, take good, no?
Oh, and we have pear, aka avocado.
Wait a minute.
What?
I could have swear that was my side with all the meat around it, you know? Oh.
No. Sure wasn't.
Damn. Family, this tastes good. If y'all know red beans and white, wife. Yeah, I know. This tastes good. I love it. Real good. Good thing I put a pepper in there. Let me taste it first, because this looks like you put pepper in it. You never want to give me none.
If you... No, I'm sorry, no.
Family.
You want me to tell the family?
Family. First lady made my best. She's the best cook. Give me a kiss. Come on, I'm taking it, okay?
No.
No. Family. First lady is a good cook. I don't care what nobody wants to say. First lady is a good cook.
Listen, family.
Wow.
If you want to know how...
Wow. It's spicy, no? That's supposed to be spicy like that, though?
Not really, but I pepper it.
Oh, that's good.
If you want to know how stew peas taste, Jamaican stew peas,
do it this way.
make red beans and rice. It's kind of similar. It does taste a little bit different, but it's basically the same thing. We use red beans, red kidney beans, and we cook it down with any kind of meat we choose. Same as this. The ingredients that we use is really nothing. When I make stew peas, I don't put any salt, I don't put any black pepper, I don't put adobo, I don't put nothing. All I put is the beans, oxtail, salt beef, chicken foot, and smoked neck bones. turkey neck bones. That's what gives it the flavor. But with red beans and rice, you have to season it. Next time I make it though, I'm going to make it as if I was making stew peas.
Family.
And see how that tastes.
First that he's talking, but
Really
yo,
good.
this is good. Oh my goodness.
I love the sausage.
Sausage nice in here. Wow.
Usually it's andouille sausage. Oh yeah, man, the pepper man.
I told you.
I just taste it. I was gonna put chicken andouille. We couldn't find it in my area. I have to go to West Palm.
Yo, this thing tastes good as hell. Family, this is good. Trust me, this is good. And it's spicy, it's just right. Damn. I don't want to bounce my juice now, I must turn my juice. This is good.
Red beans.
This smoked turkey neck?
Yes.
Family, I was hungry. No. That's a lie. I'm not always hungry. Stop it. I heard y'all. Damn.
So what did you guys do over the weekend? Let us know.
Oh no. Wow.
We went to our daughter's volleyball tournament.
Oh my God.
We was there from 9 in the morning to 7 o'clock at night.
Family, all day. Might as well be punching on the clock.
We wasn't even prepared.
We wasn't prepared, okay? Oh, you want to talk? You want to talk?
That's okay. Next time, we're gonna bring a cooler with drinks.
We gonna barbecue. Tailgate.
We have to.
Family, it was so long. We never knew the tournament was gonna last long. She had tournament before, but it was never that long.
Never that long.
Tournament was so long. Oh my God.
And it was long because they kept on winning. They won in their section. So, it was fun.
It was good, family.
But next time, I'm making sandwiches. And every time you say to yourself, okay, we're gonna leave.
Yeah.
And go get something to eat.
Yeah.
And come back.
One napkin?
No, I'm good. They're like, oh,
Yeah.
they're playing in
They're
an
playing
hour.
An hour. They're playing again. Family. Wow. It was a long day.
They had a concession stand. They sold pizza, but you know you want food.
You want food, family? It was, oh gosh.
But it was still good to see her
good.
doing something that she loves to do. But my God, it was long.
It was long. Family. I don't play with the sports. I invest. She's really good.
To me, it has her father's genes, not mine.
Athlete.
You not play the sports.
She's really good. Competitive too, just like me. We don't like losing. Family, we don't like losing.
That's how he is, his daughter and his father.
Yep. Family, listen. When she go out there, she gives her all. She loves it.
And she's really good.
Yep, she's really good. So once they loved it, keep them in there. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
And the next thing, oh, she's a nerd, so you know her grade is good, so she could get both scholarship. But me, family, come this way, I don't care who I'm playing. I could be playing against my mother. I'm not trying to lose. I'm talking crap.
Not your mother now.
I'm talking crap. Even if it, oh, you know, I'll get when I play stuff with you.
That's why I'm playing with him.
First day to get mad. Family, I don't care who's you see. Once we on the opposite team, we enemies for that day.
What?
We enemies. What if we on the same team? We good, but I'm playing against you. I'm not trying to make you win. Yep. Could be my brother. I don't care who it is. I'm coming at you, so you better come hard. That's how we are. Competitive. No? That's your birthday.
Yep. Annoying as hell. That's why I'm playing games with him.
Family,
And trash talker, him and his daughter.
God.
Trash talking, my God, makes you want to fight them. So I don't play.
I got a story time for y'all. Not now today though. If you reach this far in the video, comment story time. You know what I'm saying? When I was playing in New York for my church basketball team, I was like about 15. That's
Mario, you told that story already.
No, I didn't tell that.
Yeah, you did.
I told him already?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You did?
No, I never told him about that basketball game. No. I never told him that.
You sure?
Promise.
Oh.
I didn't tell him that.
Really?
I didn't tell him that story. Did I? Probably I did. But if I did, you're gonna hear it again. For all the new family members.
That's true. I could have sworn you did.
I don't think I did. I don't remember anyway. If I did, that's a long time ago.
Yeah, because I remember you telling them that you were so mad because
I don't know.
But you hear it again.
Yeah, I hear it
You
again.
guys probably forgot anyway too.
Yeah, y'all forgot anyway. So y'all hear it again, but I'll let y'all know. Yep. Wow. Yo, this is good. I'm gonna cap. This is good to my nose running. Yo.
Because at first,
Family,
I
I
didn't
don't
put
know.
I didn't put any pepper, and then I was tasting the pot, and I was like, "There's something missing."
Wow.
I said, "Oh, pepper."
I never had it. First time is a great. I ain't gonna lie. I always see eating it. I always see eating from Popeyes, you know. And I said, "Damn, that joint look good, but I can't get no." You always tell me got pork in here.
Pork. And the one that I had in New Orleans, that one was good too.
But pork is in here. Well, this thing, I'm scraping up a thing like that. Sorry for that. But I gotta get the goodness. Wow.
What kind of meat do you guys put in your red beans and rice? Just sausage?
Yeah. What y'all put in here? I wanna know. Pork.
probably
They
pork.
like pork.
Yeah.
Comment down what y'all put in there. And how y'all make it.
If you guys make it,
If
right?
y'all make it, yeah.
Oh shit.
Tom, this is really good.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Trust me. I appreciate it. It tastes good. I'm not even gonna lie. For my first time, I everything you cook, you know I love everything you cook. But no, this is really good because I never tried it before. It's almost like stew peas.
You working for it, huh? No, really, you really working.
For it. That's what Tommy, see my nose run down. Family, my nose running. The food is nice. You see family, you see my wave coming a little bit, right? Family, I'm trying to get some wave. How do I get waves? Comment down, ladies. What can I put in to get my waves? Some waves. I'm trying to get the first lady seasick.
I said this guy can. My God.
Family, comment down, ladies, and let me know where I can put my hair to get some wave because I want the first lady to get seasick when she look at my hair. Yeah. Let me know. But this is really good though. I'm not no cap. You know I love your cooking, but yo, Tom. Every time you make something, yo, it come out so delicious. This is your first time making this.
First time making it. I said, can't be that hard. Looks like stew peas to me.
Wow.
I like
How long you season up this meat for?
I ain't seasoning meat.
You didn't season? So what's so soaking it like that?
Because one thing about the turkey neck that I like, especially the stew peas, whatever you put the turkey neck in, it absorbs the flavor of the gravy. So it just, when you're boiling it, it just sucks everything up. It's really good.
This is good now. Gosh, B. Yes. I want to make you a stay home mom again, okay? I want you to stay home. I just want to make this good food.
I can't be a stay-home mom. You didn't see the kids them grown. I'm doing business.
Get them going.
I'm doing the greedy couple patties. It's out of stock right now, guys, but it will be back up, and it's gonna be a lot of changes.
Yep.
So
First they're getting that blueprint right. Damn.
it's gonna be a lot of changes. So don't worry.
Yep. Appreciate everybody that ordered though, you know.
Did you notice that there was celery in there?
Celery?
Mm-hmm.
Where's celery at?
No.
Where?
I cut it up really small.
No, I don't know this one crap. All I know this food was delicious.
I don't like celery, but I followed the recipe.
I didn't taste none.
You know what I'm saying? I cut it up small. Make it cook out.
Man,
Oh, I'm stuffed.
I don't like this part.
You gave myself too much rice.
When the food done.
You tore it up for real.
Oh, that shit tastes good. I'm not gonna lie. That's my favorite.
You want me to tell the family member what you did?
Yeah, Cabana is my youth.
Oh, okay. Don't start with
Don't
me.
chat too much about you.
Stop the fuckeries. Because I'll sure enough tell them what you did. Oh.
Chat too much about you. You full? I told you that side was my side because I seen a lot of meat around it.
Small meat. You have big meat.
Yeah. I got a big meat. Alright, family. As you can see, this is the part where I don't like when the food is done. It's done, and this was really good for my first time. First aid did good for making it for the first time, and it was delicious, as you can see. You know I love first aid cooking because I see her in the comments there talking about he enjoys first lady food. I sure do. All right, with being said now, guess what, the red beans out of my mouth, my own. You have a teeth.
Come on, good.
The beans, that shit came out good. I'm gonna catch. All right. A negative mind will never give you a positive life.
Yep.
Real talk, right? A negative mind will never give you a positive life. And if you can relate, relate. And just participate, you know? We appreciate y'all. That was delicious. No cap. Real talk. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for joining us again. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back, everybody that, you know, joining again. But I am Richie. This is AKA First Lady, AKA Shanice. And over this channel, we talk about anything. Positive vibe though, okay? And they are First Lady?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.